Hi guys, today we are decorating for Christmas. You guys really enjoyed the Halloween decorate with us, so we are doing it again for Christmas, and I'm starting by decorating the tree. This is an ornament box that I got at the Container Store. I really love it. It's a really safe way to store all your ornaments. Nothing is going to break, and it's really nice and organized, and it just fits right under your bed. I'm actually about to order another one because they stack on top of each other, and I just love them. So Bradley had already put up our fake Christmas tree and the lights before we left for Thanksgiving with my family in North Carolina, but now we are decorating the rest of it, so I'm getting out the Christmas bin as well because it also has some ornaments and stuff in there, and then we're just gonna get to decorating. I don't really have a fancy rhyme or reason to decorating the tree. I just kind of try to do what looks good. I do have a lot of Disney ornaments. They're pretty much the only ornaments I buy. I mean, I do find cute ones every now and then, but I love the glittery Disney ornaments so much. And I'll give you a little ornament tour after the tree is decorated. But yeah, I'm just going through. Bradley's coming in, putting some ornaments on, and I'm probably moving them around because I'm controlling, but that's just me. So yeah, I'm just decorating the tree. And then I also have these little colorful bulb, is that the word? Bauble ornaments that I got years ago at Urban Outfitters. I've painted some of them to look like Disney characters. I did a video on that a really long time ago. I'll link it up in the corner. But I kind of use those to put throughout the Disney character and like other bigger ornaments because it just adds a nice pop of color. I've definitely lost a few of those over the years, but they still hold up pretty well, and it was a pretty affordable set. And oh, there I am. And yeah, so I'm just decorating the tree. I don't usually do the back, but I do try to do the two sides just because I have a few ornaments from like my childhood, some candy canes that are like really old that we used to hang on the tree. I have a few of those. And then for a tree topper, I just have this little red bow that I used to put on the tree in my bedroom when I was a child, and I love that. So I just tied that on. And that is my finished Christmas tree. I like how tall and thin it is. It's always a little bit slanted, but that's just its charm. This is my newest ornament we just bought, the Small World ball. Here's a close-up of the little colorful bulbs. We have my Alice one that I got last year at Disney World. This is one of my favorite ornaments ever. I love how glittery she is. I have Rapunzel from Tangled. I have a lot of the princess glittery ornaments, and they've changed them, which bums me out because I can't keep collecting the same ones, but whatever. I got Figment in Disney World as well. I have Ariel. I love that teal glitter so much. Anna from Frozen and her Coronation Day dress. I just hauled this in my Disney Aulani honeymoon haul. I love it so much. I'm so happy we got that one. Then I have my Jack and Sally ornaments, always together, and I love the Sally ornament so much. I made this ornament last year for HolidAMY. I will link that up in the corner, and I bought more bulbs to make more of the same, so I just need to do that. This huge glittery ornament. I have a Snow White ornament, another one of the glittery dress ones, Mr. Toad, which we got a few years ago. You guys know we love Mr. Toad for no apparent reason, but we love him, so he's super cute. I love him. We like to keep the Halloween spirit alive all year round, so we have the Bride from the Haunted Mansion, this cute little glittery pumpkin ornament. I have another Jack one. I have a lot of Jack and Sally ornaments. This from Aulani, and then I have these vintage Barbie ones that I've had since my childhood, and I love them. They used to be my favorite thing. I think we used to get them at Hallmark, and these are my two favorites, the like evening gown Barbie and then the beach Barbie, and I always try to put those two together. I have this giant donut, and then I have these really cute Ariel or Little Mermaid ones, Sebastian, Ariel, and Flounder from my childhood as well. So that is a mini ornament tour. I love all my ornaments so much. They're like little toys. Oh, my Headless Horseman, I can't believe I didn't show you. That one was new in October, and it sold out really fast, and I was sure to get it on opening day, and I love it. So yeah, that is my tree. And then for the mantelpiece, I can't even tell you how happy I am to have a fireplace and a mantle during the winter time, and all the time, but I just love this part of my apartment. So I'm moving some things around. I got this glittery reindeer at Target like last year, but I feel like, no, I got them a couple years ago, but they always have these. They come in different colors, but I got the white with the gold antlers, and it's glittery all over, and it's so pretty. And then I have these bottle bristle trees from Anthropology. You can get these a lot more places nowadays. I got these a few years ago, and I love the neutral color of these because these aren't necessarily Christmas specific. You can leave them up all winter long. And then of course across the mantle we have colorful twinkle lights. We have just the normal white ones on the tree, and then next to the fireplace we have this wicker snowman, which is actually from my childhood. My mother regrets giving it to me. Every time she sees it, she's like, ugh, why did I give you that? He used to be strung with lights, but the lights died, so we just this year took them off, and we'll probably restring the lights, but I love him so much. And that is that little section. And moving on to the top of the entertainment center, I have these creepy carolers, again from my childhood. A lot of my decorations are from my childhood my mom passed on to me. So these really creepy carolers with their mouths wide open. I don't know, they were a thing in the 90s. And I love the little clock tower so much. And then I have this really cute Merry and Bright sign that I got at Home Goods like 6 years ago. And this cute little gingerbread plush, and I love that it says Merry and Bright and it's all glittery. Can you tell that I'm super into glitter? And then we have Geppetto, which I get a lot of questions and comments about Geppetto. Geppetto is the OG pimp elf on a shelf. I know he's super creepy, but to me, he's family, he's been around forever, and I am proud to have him up on my shelf. And next to that, I have this cute little spiral sparkly tree and a little peppermint candy cane candle. And that is the top of the entertainment system above the TVs. Super fancy. Then you guys saw in my last Decorate With Me video, I have this little cupboard cabinet thing that I keep all my little like decorative candles and Christmas trinkets and just things I don't want to get broken in the bins. As you can see, the bottom shelf was Halloween. And I just love all this stuff so much. Most of it's from my childhood and it just like warms my heart to the max. You have no idea. So I have a lot of decorative candles that I think are from Pottery Barn. So I put this little gumdrop tree next to the diffuser, and then I have this little Grinch snow globe. It has little Cindy Lou Who and the Grinch and the Christmas tree, and you could shake it on up. And it's just, you know, childhood inside of a globe. I love it. My brother asks me if he can have it every time he comes over, and I say, no, bitch, you can't. Then I have the sparkly gumdrop tree next to the diffuser, which I love. The gumdrops fall off from time to time, but I just use my hot glue gun, can't speak, and put them right back on. And I'm diffusing peppermint over here. It smells like a candy cane. It's amazing during winter, all the time really, but I've been loving it for the month of December. Then moving on to behind the couch, we moved the shelf that's usually where the Christmas tree is. We move it back there, and then I just have a few decorations on this little table behind the couch. We have our Christmas countdown, which I actually just got this at Michael's. It was like 50% off, and he was really cute, and I love our Halloween countdown, so I bought him. And then I have this weird snowman skiing guy. I just think he's cute, and he takes up a lot of space, and he looks super happy, so I love that. So I've kept that. And then moving on to the other little diffuser desk, I have this little Santa. I can never say that. Santa candle. It's so hard to say. But in this diffuser, I am diffusing Christmas Spirit, which is a mix of orange, black spruce, and cinnamon, and it smells incredible. It smells like the joy of Christmas inside a little bottle. So I'm diffusing that all month long. And then at the little table by the door next to my teacup lamp, which I get questions about that lamp all the time. Got it at Anthropology years ago. Actually, an ex-boyfriend gave it to me, but it's fine. I have this cute little snowman candle. He's holding a little candy cane, and he's got his little scarf and beanie on. And then I have this super cute Yankee candle topper that has Mickey Mouse by the Christmas tree. I've had this forever. He's missing an ear, but it's okay. I love him just the same. I just love how detailed it is. It's really colorful, and I love it. So I put that on top of my Christmas Eve Yankee candles. And then moving into the bathroom, I just have a few fun festive touches. I have this really tiny glittery snowman candle, and then I have the rest of my Mrs. Meyer's pumpkin scent hand soap that I'm using up for the winter fall months. And then I, of course, have my Lush Christmas treats, which my Lush Christmas haul will be up next, so you'll be seeing that soon. But I redid the little bath bomb jar, and it's looking super festive and cute, and it smells amazing. And then behind the toilet, so glamorous, I have a few things. I have my little deer and fawn candles that I got off ModCloth a really long time ago, and then this Trader Joe's cedar balsam scented candle. I don't know if they have this scent. This was actually left over from last year, but I love all of their little scented candles, so I would highly recommend. And yeah, all of that just adds a little joyous festive fun to my bathroom. Moving on to the bedroom, there's really nothing besides these Christmassy cushions. So I have this fox pillow, which I get a lot of questions about. I found him at Nordstrom Rack a couple of years ago. And then I found this pine tree, Christmas tree pillow on Outlook a couple years ago. And I love it. And I love, again, that it's not just Christmas specific, but you can leave this up all winter long. And it's super soft and cozy. And yeah, I just like to decorate my bed with cushions when I can. And these are so freaking cute. So yeah. Then all that's left is the kitchen, and I have a little Christmas, oh, hit my painting on the wall there, but I have a little Christmas artwork piece that I take the labs down for. I got it at Home Goods, Nordstrom Rack a few years ago. And then we have these command hooks hung from the bottom of that cabinet, and I just hang little ornaments. I got those in the Target dollar section, and they're super glittery, again with the glitter. But I just love how colorful they are, and they just hang down, and they're super festive. And yeah, so there's yellow, green, blue, and red. And they're just super cute, and I love them. They make me so happy while I'm cooking. And here's a close-up of the sign. I just really liked how distressed it looked, and I like how happy these people are. So yeah, there's the kitchen decorations. And then, of course, I have a Christmas cookie Yankee candle burning. This was leftover from last year. It smells so good. And then Bradley is hanging up lights outside. We have command hooks up out there to make it easy for like Halloween and Christmas lights each year, which comes in handy, so I would highly recommend that. We actually just got a new strand of colorful lights for outside, and we got the Target brand, and they were super affordable, and they're very bright and colorful, and I love them, and they light up the whole balcony. It's very nice, and just everything at night is so much more magical at Christmas time, and it just makes being at home so much more cozy and festive. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy HolidAMY. This was day 1. I will be back with a Lush haul for day 2 very soon. So be sure to subscribe. I'll leave some videos for you to go watch as well. But I love you guys. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. He's coming to get you. Geppetto, I love you with all my heart. You're family. You're here to stay. Just look at that face.